Hey, this is Jay again. So far I've put the sock on. As you can see there, I put some more pebbles in. I put some tie wraps in and force this going to here. So then I put the brown rock mix in. Put the all-purpose stone, which is that bag there. And I put the pea pebbles, some pea pebbles, just to kind of make it mix. And now I'm putting a little dirt. I also have to come up a little bit here, so the water will escape here, so the pipe goes down and then comes up a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is take all this dirt and put it here, and then I will put the finished touch of the marble chips. Hopefully that's enough bags, 2 bags for that. If not, I'm back to Home Depot. This is part 3 of what's going on. I also have to be careful when I put the dirt on the pipe there, because I don't want to break that water pipe, whatever that old water system was here. Anyway, well,